आगे मत जाओ
चलना श्रद्धा मैडम
हट जाओ हट जाओ हट जाओ हट जाओ हट जाओ move back guys keep moving keep stopping please keep moving please
मुझे टेबल
please guys please move
पीछे देखो
ये मोबाइल में बनाओ ना
नहीं
keep moving please back side please move पीछे please check it out please
चलो दादा या पुढे चल हो दे खर्च या साईडला हो दे खर्च
for this moment from captivating performances. Thank you so much, Shraddha. And I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna say this one more time. Inna sona kyun
रब ने बनाया
Inna sona kyun rab ne banaya. I don't have anything to say. You're looking absolutely stunning. Everybody, can we have a huge round of applause for our brand ambassador, Shraddha Kapoor. We are thrilled to have you with us today, and it is an honor that you are the brand ambassador of Neutrogena. But I want to know from you, what made you partner with us with the brand Neutrogena?
First of all, hi everyone.
हाय
कैसे हो आप सब?
मस्त
मस्त. खाना वाना खाया कि नहीं अभी?
ओहो
जेवले?
ओहो जेवलो
अच्छा मस्त. So it's really nice to be here. I have to say that I'm very excited to be the face of Neutrogena because who better than experts to tell you what's good for your skin? I think that we live in a time where there are so many trends that are going around with beauty, with skincare. I mean, this is your skin you're talking about. And for me, nothing goes above something that is backed by science for your skin. So for me, it couldn't get better than Neutrogena, very honestly, because this is a brand which is almost about to complete 100 years, guys. This is a brand which has been backed by science for 90 plus years. So the very foundation of Neutrogena is science-based. So for me, for my skin, I think that is the ultimate. So I'm very happy to be their new face.
Thank you so much. And with this, I have a quick fun questions for you. This is like a rapid fire question. So first one is a yay or a nay. Okay, very quick. Skipping hydrating your skin.
No, never. Nay. Nahi.
Okay, and in 20 different languages. Is
Nako.
Achhi baat nako.
Na.
Is drinking water enough for hydrating your skin?
You know, very honestly, yes.
Wow, thank you so much for the chair.
सिर्फ एक ही सॉरी मस्ती कर रही हूँ पर I feel very frankly, you know, it's a, I think there are individual skin, oh this is not a ye, sorry ye or nay
Yay or nay, yes.
अच्छा तो I have to keep it very simple basically.
You want to make it complex? Women are complex.
Can I give a little bit of an answer to this?
Yes.
So I feel that all of us have individual skin needs. All of us over here have either really oily skin or dry skin or combination skin or you know different issues with our skin. So I think it's a very individual approach to skincare. Definitely hydrating, consuming healthy food, consuming healthy beverages also contributes to great skin. But there are skincare practices that all of us must do because externally also we are depending on different people's lifestyles. आप धूप में कितना हो? जैसे for me, I am in front of harsh lights quite often, so I need to take care of my skin in a different way. And I think that your lifestyle choices and really good products work very well together hand in hand. So I would say that it's a combination of both.
It's a
I can't choose one. I'll be very honest. I go through phases. I don't know who goes through skincare phases over here. Sometimes gel, sometimes cream. I am also exactly like them. Currently, I'm going through a gel phase. So, yes.
Okay. So this and that, both. Perfect.
Yes.
12-step routine or a 3-step routine?
What is a 12-step routine?
It's
What
I think the
is-
influencers will be able to tell you.
What is a 12-step routine? Is there a? मुझे नहीं पता 12-step routine क्या होता है. होता है कुछ?
उनको ही नहीं मालूम.
इनको भी शायद नहीं लग रहा कि होता है. पहले 12-step routine हम तो नहीं करते. बहुत टाइम जाता है उसमें. I would say 3 यार मतलब
Yes.
12 steps बाप रे.
12 is too much.
Too much. मतलब 12 steps में I think the only 12-step routine that I would want to follow is probably a 12-course.
Me? Oh wow. Everyone would love that.
Probably
I
just
think.
that's the only 12-step thing I would want to do.
I'm gonna vote for that.
Yes.
The next one is Hydro Boost Water Gel or Hydro Boost Night Cream.
You can't choose now because you need one for the night and then you need one for the day.
So again, both.
But I sometimes also use my night cream in the day. I'll be very honest.
You do that?
I do that sometimes because it has a denser hydration, and on some days when I feel like my skin is a little more dry, I will use the night cream in the day also. Rule breaker.
Wow, we love it. Okay, the last one, glass skin or matte finish?
Huh, there is this full trend now, glass skin wala trend and all. You know, honestly, I feel like some of these trends, I'm like, ये क्या skincare के नाम पे कौन से trends चल रहे हैं? No, I would say healthy skin. I'll just pick healthy skin. Health over any of these trends.
Well, thank you so much, Shraddha. It has been an absolute
which has certain trending ingredients कि अरे आप अगर आपके प्रोडक्ट में ये ingredient है तो उसका ये benefit हो सकता है. And you know, very frankly, while those trends can really convince you even, sometimes they can convince the buyer, the consumer, thinking that they will get those benefits. But really, how do you know what percentage of which ingredient will address your concern? That is exactly why it's so important to have scientific research done behind the product that you are choosing for your skin, and not just going blindly by what is trending or what is being spoken about on social media. So I feel personally, I leave that to the experts, and I leave that to research to decide for me what my concern is, and then I will pick that product for myself.
Talking about experts, what's your...
Hear me? Yeah. So as a formulator, I have been involved in developing many skincare brands, right? Skincare products. I've been involved in clinical trials, and I know that while hero ingredients, they are important, but they alone cannot define product efficacy. It is product as a whole, right? Now here, they will deliver same benefit, right? But it can happen that in the clinical trials, you may actually see one performs better than the other. And why is this? It's purely to do with the way they have been formulated in the product, right? It could happen that product Y may have retinol, which is not so stable in the formula. So it loses its efficacy over a period of time. It could also happen that product X may contain boosters, which can enhance the performance of the retinol. So all in all, it is always formula over ingredients. So even if product Y had a higher concentration of retinol, you may still end up seeing that the product X may deliver better efficacy at the end of it.
I'm very tempted to jump in here because with what you were saying is, you know, even if you have somebody who's preparing a dish, okay, the question is, does that person even really know how to cook, if I may add to that example? Because once you know that, then that person knows कि अच्छा इसमें इतना सा ये मसाला जाएगा, इतना ये जाएगा. This masala has these benefits. So oftentimes what I feel is that is a very important question that we should be asking. Is there research behind the formulations that present the existence of the efficacy to be there, as opposed to it just being random ingredients just being added? So to lure, very frankly, to lure and to make it look very, how do you say, attractive for a consumer to purchase. So it's definitely who do you know what you're making, and do you have the expertise to make that?
I think that was for the sunscreen, which are related to the aesthetics of the sunscreen. Like I want it to feel good, feel light, look good, smell good, be lightweight, no white cast. Maybe some of you have answered SPF 50 there, but that's very less in terms of the people who answered on aesthetics. So that brings me to the next rule, right? Like, are we really looking for aesthetics? Or should we be focusing on efficacy of the product over the aesthetics of the product? Aesthetics are really important. They do, of course, play an emotional role, right? When we go to pick a product, you feel more connected to a certain fragrance, to a certain color.
Last thing that I'm thinking about is the packaging. No matter how colorful or pretty or क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मतलब एकदम आकर्षक दिख रहा है, it doesn't matter. The question that we have to be asking is this product going to do what it's supposed to do? Is it going to address the issue that it needs to address? So again, it is over and it should be beyond the packaging and the aesthetic and the outwardly appearance of the product.
Absolutely. What do you think, Dr. Praneem?
100%. While aesthetics are important, like all of us want to enjoy our skincare, but they should not be center focused. So on social media, generally we see people put out, oh, it feels nice, it's instantly juicy, it looks dewy, it's lightweight, has no white cast. But is it the job of a sunscreen to sunscreen you? Have you used it on a holiday and realized that you've had no sun damage or you've had minimum sun damage? Do you know that there are so many filters which break down when exposed to UV light? We don't get into these are very complex scientific terms. Media doesn't want to talk about those. So a sunscreen has to sunscreen, that's the main thing. So aesthetics are important.
Very, very often, but at the same time, I'm not saying that that is the only thing that my life is, my eating habit about. That's not the only thing that it's about. So I feel, very honestly, I mean, I try to keep it as real as I can. You know, I try to keep it as real as I can. I try to personally live a very balanced life where I also love my vada pav and all that kind of khana, but I also eat very healthy food. So I try my best to keep it as real as I can. So I would just suggest to you guys also that, you know, keep it as real as you can and keep it very personal. Who are you? What aspects of your life are you sharing? For example, I am so excited to be a part of Neutrogena because for me, it's a brand that for me, the first thing that I think about Neutrogena is like, oh, I can trust this brand. Because I know that they have done their due diligence, they have the scientists who are constantly working on formulation. So I know that when I'm putting it out there, I have that faith. So it's something that I would say that do your bit to keep it as real as you can. And also, I mean, when you express yourself, I'm sure that you also want the best for yourself, right? And in what you're showing and sharing with the world. So I don't know if this entirely answers your question, but I would say that, yeah, I try my best to keep it as real as I can.
So I love how she said she's not influencing, she's inspiring. I think that's the biggest takeaway.
Yeah. Excited about that, and thank you so much to our panelists for such a fun, engaging discussion. And I'm sure you guys learned a lot of new things. I definitely did, and I'm taking some things back home. Yeah, thank you so much. Can we have Shraddha?
Start. Yes.
Okay, we're going to give a countdown starting from...
Yeah.
Komal, I would request you to please come a little forward.
Yeah.
Come a little forward.
Close.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
About this product, I mean especially अभी summer जो शुरू होने वाला है, so I definitely look for, I mean I practice good sunscreen habits, and for this to have this is the new Hydro Boost Hydrating, as you can see, Fluid SPF 50 sunscreen. It has the hydration in it, and that is something that I really feel like my skin needs. Something that we were talking about earlier. So I'm very excited that Neutrogena has come up with this product, and I'm very excited to use it.
Thank you so much, and we are equally excited to have you on board with us. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we have a small video from Estelle. She's a regional R&D scientist from Neutrogena. So can we please have the video on the screen?
Hi everyone, introduce everyone to the latest member of the Hydro Boost family. Let us welcome Hydro Boost Hydrating Fluid SPF 50. It is a product with two main functions. One, it is a really good skin moisturizer, clinically proven to provide all-day hydration. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is the same ingredient that we've all come to love in Hydro Boost Water Gel. In addition, it has probiotic.
Ambassador at Neutrogena, और इतनी आसानी से तो आपको जाने नहीं देंगे. एक सेल्फी तो बनता है, right?
Enjoy much.
इसके लिए हमें selfie stick. Yes.
Yes.
With everybody together, we need to smile now. Come on, everybody, all the influencers.
हो जाएगा.
Our media is super happy, but I want some smiles from the influencers.
चलो हो जाएगा.
हम रोज मिलते हैं उनको ना इसलिए
अच्छा टाइमर चालू हो गया.
एक फोटो करके पूरे करो.
Okay. And 1, 2, 3.
शिवा देख.
सेल्फी विथ श्रद्धा.
शिवा आया. 1 मिनट का फोटो करना है.
अरे एक फोटो श्रद्धा मैडम.
Make your own unique niche, and yeah, I'm just very happy that all of you came here, and all the best with everything that you guys do. Sending lots of love to all of you.
थँक यू. मॅडम इथे बघा. इथे जुवाल्याकडे इथे
आम्ही जुवाला इकडे.
इथे हा.
जुवाला इकडे.
मॅडम इथे बघितलंच नाही. इथे थँक्यू. बाय. धन्यवाद.
Okay, can we have a huge
बाय.
applause for our
बाय.